get up on a new video. Okay, so this, you have seen my introduction. Okay, this is my second video, and today's topic is how to do intros like this. Cool, pretty cool. Yeah, I also do that type of subscribe button intro, so I'm gonna tell you how to do that. So you need, wait, let me remember. Okay, three things. First is power director or kind master, and another is wait, I forgot. Yeah. In between two things, you can choose the power director or kind master. These two, I don't know, but you can choose anything. Power director. I use power director. And another is what do you need? Yeah, the website called savefromnet.com. So I'm gonna show you how to do it in mobile. Okay. I'm gonna show you that right now. Not in okay, right now. Okay, so let's get started with a small intro. And 3, 2, 1. Wait, don't forget to subscribe and like, and please press the bell icon to not miss any video. So let's get started in 3, 2, 1. Woo! So I have the three things okay, so I have the three things that we need. One is a power director right here, you can see, and another is inside Google. You can also add that website in your home screen. It will allow you to make that option, save from net. You can just save from net. Okay, and the first thing will come and green arrow with YouTube downloaded. Download YouTuber. So that's kind of funny. So now what you're gonna do is keep it in the home screen, means the recent apps, and then go to YouTube, okay, YouTube, not anything else, YouTube, then search. What do you have to search? Green screen. I have searched it before, so it's gonna come, right? Yeah, I searched a lot of things, but like an intro green screen, you just have to search that, and you have to find a small video like this, 9 seconds, and I have downloaded one before you have. So I will show you how to download them. First, you need to see that 3 button. You have to press it and press share, and an option will come of copy link. So the link of that video is copied, and then you are going to go to savefromnet.com, and simply you have to paste and click the arrow mark, and it will come green screen button. If you want to check, you can check. Wow. Okay, it's okay. It will give you the same thing. Okay, so I have downloaded it before in my gallery. Inside the what is that? Where's the downloads, bro? Where's the download? Yeah, here. There's some download. So okay, this one. This is 4 seconds, and you have to just check it is in the gallery or not. Then you have to go to power director. It's gonna allow you power director, start the app, optimizing application, and then wait for a little minute to load. Okay, so Why did I just switch Mexican language? Okay, so yeah, you can see that video. It's 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 my first video right there. Why is my eyes closed in that? Okay, so anyways, let's name this as LOL and 16.9 view, 16 to 9 view, and it's gonna turn. So please don't panic now. So I switched recording here, and this is my another clip. So okay, so you're gonna choose a video like from camera, and you're gonna do, yeah, this video right here is the plus mark video right here is the video I am going to upload now. So let's take up this video. So I'm going to add the plus sign. What's up, guys? Yeah. And I will give you. So you have heard this, right? If you have not heard this, this is going to be a spoiler attack. Please see that video and subscribe me and like that. Okay, so first you're gonna do is you're gonna choose the layer option. After that, you're gonna go to the videos and then downloads, and here it is, 5 seconds. It will only got in the 5 seconds, and you have to pause it and keep it right here so that it's mandatory place and it's mandatory size. And now at the pen, you have to press it on that video, press your finger on that video and press pencil mark, means edit, then slide over this right side, and there's a chroma key option, and you're going to press the eyedropper thing, and you're going to press the green part. The green part is done. So now you're going to high up the color range to high and then to a little low. Yep, now it's gonna go now. Then when you start this video, it's right there. Yep, very cool. No green screen borders because of I changed the color range. Right here you can see this is a color range. You have to get it on 100. Don't get it on 100 right here. As you can see on the screen, it's going to get pixelized. Yep, so you're going to keep it 0 to make it HD, and boom, it's done. Then you are going to click export. Oh my god, produce video or export video. Yep, it's lol, and you're going to produce it. And don't keep anything behind the background in any of these apps, KineMaster or Power Director. Don't keep it. KineMaster is also the same. You don't have to select the means the eyedropper thingy. You have to just add the video and the layer option and add the video again. Add the video again at the green screen video. Then you have to just there's an option, the edit option, and you have to just press enable chroma key. There's an option to enable chroma key. You're just gonna enable it. Yep. If there's any other color, like if it is dark green, then you can change color in this or that. In this you can change color from eyedropper, so it's okay. Did you understand? Please comment down below and please subscribe and like. So press the bell notification. I forgot one thing. So last time I just forgot that I was an Indian. Now I forgot that anyone can watch this, so I am inspiring anyone. Get out. Okay, So it's been 4 minutes and 14 seconds. 16, 17. Get out of hell. Okay, so this is for today, and keep watching my videos like this, and I will help you a lot in gaming tips and tricks. If you want to know more, please comment down below. I will give the answers or make a video on that. Okay? Bye.